Hi all. So today in this video we are going to understand multithreading in Java. But before we understand multithreading, we need to know what is the concept of multitasking. So whenever we want to execute multiple tasks simultaneously, that is known as multitasking. And the benefit of multitasking is that it enables an optimal use of the central processing unit. And there are two main ways through which we can have multitasking. One is the process-based multitasking, and the other is thread-based multitasking. But what is the difference between process, thread, and operating system? So this diagram helps to represent exactly that. So the largest circle is the operating system. And inside the operating system, we have multiple processes running, and each process have multiple threads inside it. So in other words, thread is the smallest subsystem in a process. And the concept of multithreading is the process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. And as we know that multithreading uses threads which are the smallest subsystem in a process. And threads are independent in nature. It means that if a thread runs into an exception, that it don't affect the other thread. And when we look into the life cycle of thread, they have it starts with new, runnable, running, waiting, dead, and then it again moves to new. Next, we will see a sample program. Hi all. So today in this video, we are going to see how to work with multi-threading in Java. So for that, first we will create a simple IntelliJ project. And in this package, we will create a class. Let's call it multi-threading work. And this class will extend thread. Inside this class, we will have to implement a method called run. And inside run, we will have a try catch block. Let's print the thread number that is running. We will say thread dot current thread dot get id, and in the catch block we will try to catch if there is any exception. Let's say exception e. And we will say exception. So that's our multi-threading work class. Now we will move to the main class and we will create an object of that class. but we need to put this entire thing inside loop. So let's have a variable and let's run a loop. I is less than n and I plus plus. So let's run this program and see what it gives as output. And as you can see that it is giving thread number is 25, 22, 26, 23, 24. So that's a simple program to see how to work with multithreading in Java. Thanks.